In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Klaviyo pop-up to Shopify. To begin, open your Klaviyo dashboard. This is where your sign-up forms live, and it is also where you control whether a pop-up is allowed to show on your site. In the left sidebar, click the Sign Up Forms tab. You will see a list of the forms you have created. Next, click on the pop-up form you want to use. This opens the form settings and makes it easy to confirm it is ready to display. Look in the top right corner for the status dropdown. Make sure it is set to live. If it is set to draft or manual, the form will not appear for shoppers, even if Shopify is configured correctly. Once the form is live in Klaviyo, open your Shopify admin in a new tab. Keeping both tabs open helps you switch back and forth without losing your place. In Shopify, go to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This is where you manage your theme and the features connected to it. On your active theme, click the Customize button. This opens the theme editor, which also includes an area for app embeds. In the far left sidebar inside the theme editor, click the App Embeds icon. It is the third icon down, and it shows the section where apps can inject scripts and features into your storefront. Now locate the Klaviyo on-site JavaScript toggle. This setting is important because it loads Klaviyo on-site functionality, including pop-ups, directly on your Shopify theme. Switch that toggle to on. After you turn it on, click the Save button in the top right corner. Saving is required because changes in the theme editor do not apply until you save them. Finally, visit your website's URL to confirm the pop-up triggers. If you do not see it immediately, give it a few seconds to load, and make sure you are viewing the site like a new visitor. Also confirm you saved the theme changes and that the form is still set to live in Klaviyo. And that is all there is to it.